All right, so number 63, instead of talking like specifically about graphing this type of function, I actually want to use this as sort of like a way to approach graphing in general if you don't know how a graph of something looks. So if you don't know how a graph of a function looks, the best approach to it is to start by making a t-chart. And remember, a t-chart, some may call it an xy chart, is where you plug in numbers for x and you get back numbers for y. Now, it's always good to get at least 5 points on the graph, because if a graph is curved, less than 5 points doesn't really give you a picture of what the graph looks like. So we have to choose some values for x and get back values for y. So in general, I mean, there'll be exceptions to this, of course, but in general, a good choice of x values would be some negatives, some positives, and 0. Now again, there will be exceptions to that rule, but we'll worry about those when we get to them. Now, so then I take each of the x's and I plug them in to my equation. So I'm going to plug in -2 for x. And then I need to do order of operations, right? So parentheses, exponents, multiplication, division, and then addition. So then I would repeat the process with each of the numbers. So I plug in -1, squaring that gives you 1, times -2 is -2, plus 4 is 2. When I plug in 0, that's easy, I get 4. When I plug in 1, I get 1 squared is 1, times -2 is -2, plus 4 is 2. And when I plug in 2, I'm going to get -4. So now I can take those points, plot them on the graph. So -2, -4, it's right here. -1, -2. Oop, ha ha ha, -1, +2. 0, 4, 1, 2, and 2, -4. And then connect those dots. Obviously, this isn't going to be the prettiest graph, but that's okay. And then, because the graph keeps going on forever, go ahead and put arrows on the end. So if you don't know what a graph looks like, start by making a t-chart. You need at least 5 points. It's good to center it around 0, plug it in for x's, solve for y's, and then plot those points and connect.